I'm already up over $1 million+ from this franchise and stuff. I keep trying to tell y'all that franchising is the way to go. I own 4 Smoothie King franchises. I'm young, but people underestimate me every single day. But you know what? That's exactly why I'm winning. I'm not even gonna lie though, being young in the business world is kind of weird. The pressure is actually very crazy. People look at you like you do not belong in the room. Look, man, here's a quick day in the life of being me as a franchise owner. Most people start their day off with coffee. I start mine off with profit margins, and I don't really get busy days. And I say that with air quotes, but just expensive mistakes if I ignore things. My calendar looks empty, but my phone tells a whole different story. That's kind of usually like how things go when you're actually running the store. I'm not physically in my store all day, but don't let that fool you. Most of the work happens right here on my cell phone. You hear that? On my cell phone. It happens there. Labor costs, food costs, schedules, coaching managers. It's a lot of small decisions that are really big decisions, and small decisions will make or break you in a big business. Always remember that. Some days I'm having customers screaming at me, yelling at me about a 16-year-old that messed up their smoothie because, hey, I ain't gonna lie to y'all, customers are crazy. Some days I'm arguing with the blenders. I drink more smoothies than I drink water now, which is kind of a good thing, but I do also drink a lot of water. I don't know what success is, but I think I'm doing a pretty dang good job. And for whatever reason, people think owning a franchise is just checking numbers and dipping. It is not. Again, I got 4 Smoothie Kings, and even on chill days, my brain is still at work. You're working every day. First thing I do, bright and early in the morning, crust still in my eyes, everything. I haven't even brushed my teeth yet. I am checking sales before emails, before social media, before anything, man, because if you do not know what's going on yesterday, you're not going to know what you're supposed to do today. Numbers don't care how you feel. You got to check those numbers. One big, really bright side is the freedom. I control my time, my income, and my growth. I kind of move to my own beat to an extent. I'm not running from work. I'm building assets. Franchising gave me structure, multiple locations. It gave me leverage. Time is money and time is everything to me, and I value all of it. I don't chase motivation. I build systems that work whether I feel like it or not, man. Employees clock out. Owners don't. They're always on the clock. So once again, if you think that being an owner is just all about sitting around doing nothing, you probably want to find a different profession because this is not it. I don't know, man. Being young is kind of a funny space when you know you're not older or middle aged with gray hair, man. Some people think you got lucky. Some think you don't know what you're doing. I don't know why that's the case, but it really is. I let them think that though, because the numbers always explain themselves. And I really be on my stuff when it comes to being one thing's for certain though, ownership teaches you how to stay calm while fixing things that cost more than your first car, man. You stop reacting and start responding because panic is very expensive, and a lot of people panic in this business. I don't get excited over my wins or my losses, really. I just adjust. That's usually when you know someone's been doing this for a while, and there's still a lot of things that I'm learning, but I really am getting better but I already know only about 2 of y'all are going to watch this video because YouTube does not let your boy be great for whatever reason. But to the 2 of y'all that are going to watch this, man, it would be amazing if y'all could actually comment on the video. I do actually have a lot of franchise advice and just a lot of knowledge. Just was just kind of a different angle and a different video. Just trying something new, trying to see if this is what y'all like.